That is 1 bag of corn and 4 bags of sweet feed. And tomorrow I'm going back and I'm going to get about 5 more bags of sweet feed because it's on sale for $6.50 a bag. The corn costs $7.15 a bag. I use quite a bit of it. I feed that stuff to chickens, I feed it to goats, I feed it to pigs, I feed it to cats if I can get them to eat it. Everybody else has their grocery hauls. This one is mine. And it didn't come from Walmart or Aldi's or Costco or any of those sharing places. Sorry about the background noise. Anytime I want a video, there's a car that comes by or a nut down the road trying to target practice. So I will talk to you in a little while when it calms down.